So we have this pattern material, right? This is 58.5 inches wide, 100% polyester. Clothing, craft, home decor, and quilts, similar to muslin, but offers a greater value as creating new patterns and resizing existing ones is easy and affordable. Trace patterns or print directly onto this. Can also be used as a lightweight sew-in interfacing. This is like a tracing paper that can be sewn, right? It's like tissue fitting, but actually better because it's moldable to your body. Whereas tissue paper is so crisp. This is crisp, yes, but not nearly as much as tissue paper is. I'm gonna try and show you drape. It doesn't have a ton, but you can see that it's easily moldable. So you can trace your pattern pieces onto this, cut around them like with a lot of excess, then put them on a dress form and tissue fit them that way so that you can pin and add and take away and do all the things you need to do right here from this one material, rather than trying to do that on tissue paper. And you know how that stuff rips. This stuff is pretty indestructible. I mean, that was a really decent tug. Certainly more of a tug than tissue paper would be.